Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're super excited to bring you an in-depth look at the Sika 030, the latest in combustion analysis technology, brought to you by Sauermann. Let's dive in. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, ensuring the product arrives safely. Let's see what's inside. First up, we have the Sika 030 analyzer itself, compact and lightweight. It also comes with a protective rubber cover, providing extra durability and grip in various working conditions. Next, we've got the flue gas probe with a dual hose. The dual hose ensures accurate sampling by separating the gas and pressure measurements, enhancing the reliability of your readings. We also have 5 different adapters, ensuring compatibility with various power outlets, so you can charge your device no matter where you are. And finally, we've got the USB cable, which allows for easy data transfer and connectivity. We've also included a shoulder carry strap for easy transportation, allowing you to carry the analyzer hands-free while moving between job sites. Don't forget about the mobile app setup guide. The app connects your device to the Sauermann Combustion app, enabling remote control, live data viewing, and easy data logging. Here is the calibration certificate, ensuring your device meets the highest standards of accuracy right out of the box. And lastly, the quick start guide. To turn on the device, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The device will take about 60 seconds to start up and be ready for use. Navigate to the menu and select Settings. Here you can adjust general settings like time, date, language, country, and set up your wireless connection for easy data transfer. Now, let's move on to gas analysis. The Sika 030 measures O2, CO, and calculates CO2 levels, providing crucial data for combustion efficiency and safety. Connect the pump by selecting Pump in the main menu. This will activate the pump and start drawing in flue gas samples for analysis. Ensure all connections are secure by attaching the wire to the appropriate ports. This will guarantee accurate data collection. Make sure to double-check each connection point to avoid any potential leaks or misreadings. Properly connected wires ensure the integrity of your measurements and the overall accuracy of your analysis. Make sure to keep the glass box in the wire straight to avoid any obstructions or inaccurate readings. This will help maintain a clear path for the gas flow, ensuring that the sensors receive an uninterrupted sample. The back of the Sika 030 is equipped with strong magnets which provide hands-free operation. For more information, head over to our website. Thanks for watching.